Good morning, students. Welcome back to online class. Today we are going to study about chemical bonding and molecular structure. So let's start with a term that is chemical bond. So what is a chemical bond? Bonding means what? The element which bond together in a form of metallic bonding, covalent bonding or ionic bonding. Whatever the bond is there, like friends bond is there, friendship bond is there. So same way here in the element there is a chemical bond between the two elements which attract the force which holds it, right? So the attractive force which holds various constituents such as atom molecules and ions together in a different chemical species is called a covalent bond. And covalent bond means what? Sharing of the electron. When the outermost orbit, the electrons are there and that electron is sharing with the other electrons. So that bond between the two element is there, it's a chemical bond. And here the sharing of the electron means covalent bond, and in the ionic bond donating and accepting, like Na, the outer orbit is 1 2 8 1, and in the chlorine the outer orbit is 7. So to fulfill the outermost orbit 8 electrons is required. So 1 electron he is borrowing from the sodium, so it's accepting. And what is sodium doing? Sodium is donating the electron. So here donating and accepting the bond occurs is called ionic bonding. Causal Lewis approach to chemical bonding. So this is the view of a Lewis dot structure, how the chemical bond forms. So Lewis postulated that atoms achieve a stable octet when linked via chemical bond. So it should be a stable octet. Octet means what? 8 electrons should be there on the outer shell orbit and it should be stable. So in case of bond or formed from H2 and F2, it's a molecule. Hydrogen-hydrogen bond is there. Fluorine-fluorine bond is there. The bond formed from sharing of the electron between the atom. In this case, each atom attains a stabler outer octet of electrons. Lewis symbols in the formation of a molecule, only outer electron or group balance of the electron take part in the chemical bonding. Only the outer orbit can take part in the chemical bonding, and hence they are a valence electron. What is a valence electron? The outermost orbit, when the one electron is donating, so it acts as a donor. So that electron, that outer side electron act as a valence electron. That's why the sodium metal will be Na plus. So in the electrons of the sp,f orbitals do not take part in a chemical bonding. Only d orbitals take part. Right? This is the electrons. Next, Lewis symbol. Here you can see lithium is 3. The outermost orbit is 1. Beryllium atomic number is 4, but 2 and 2. So the outer orbit only we have taken 2, 3, 4 like this. So Lewis symbol as shown given here. Lewis symbol only shows the group balance or electron that take part in the chemical bonding. So Lewis shows only the outermost orbit which take part for the chemical bonding. So what are the significance of the Lewis symbol here? The number of dots around the symbol represent the number of valence electron. So what is the valency of the lithium? Lithium is Li plus 1, beryllium is B plus 2, boron is B plus 3, carbon is plus 4, and here you can see 1, 2, 3, 5. So plus 5. So plus 5 or minus 3. Plus 5 means it can donate 5 electrons or it can accept 3 electrons, right? So here you can see that the group balance of the element is generally either equal to the number of dots in the Lewis symbol or 8 minus the number of dots or valence electrons. So 8 minus 5, that is 3. So N minus 3, oxygen minus 2, fluorine minus 1, neon, the complete shade is there. So this is the Lewis symbol of each element shown over here. Causal theories in terms of chemical bonding is in the period table, the highly electronegative halogens and the highly electropositive alkali metals are separated by the noble gas. Now, what is electronegative halogens? Electronegative means what? Electron negative halogens. So, you know, all fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are halogens. So, electronegative means they are, the valency is in the negative form, like F minus 1, chlorine Cl minus 1, bromine Br minus 1. These are all highly electronegative halogens and highly electropositive alkali. Alkali is a group 1. So, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium are the alkali metals. So, it's a electropositive and they are separated by the noble gases. The formation of the negative ion from a halogen atom and the positive ion from the alkali atom is associated with the gain and loss of electron, which is gaining here. The halogens are gaining to fulfill the outermost orbit, and which is losing the electron. The alkali metals are losing because they are already having one orbit, outermost orbit. So it one will they will give. So the second orbit is the 8, complete 8. So it will have a balance. So the negative and the positive ion thus formed attain stable noble gas electronic configuration. Okay, so that is the outermost orbit will be ns2 np6. N is the number of the where the element exists, in which period the element is exists. That is ns2 np6. See here, the negative and the positive ions are stabilized. How? The formation of NaCl. Sodium, which is very exothermic reaction when comes in contact with the water. Chlorine is also poisonous gas is there. So sodium, how we will write? Na. So Na is 11. So that is neon. It's a noble gas. That sodium is in the third group. So 3s1. And here Na plus. Na plus means what? 1 is already given. So what is left? Ne. Ne is left. There is a neon is left. What about the chlorine? Chlorine plus electrons. That one electron is given to the chlorine, gives Cl minus. That's what over here. See here, Ne 3s2 3p5 gives Ne 3s2 3p6, or argon is here. How argon? Chlorine is argon, see here, and this can be written like this. So Na plus plus Cl minus gives NaCl. Similarly, CaF2 molecules formation can also be done with this method, and it is shown in the textbook. Just refer it. Electrocovalent bond. Covalent bond means what? Sharing of the electron. The bond which is formed as a result of electrostatic attraction between the positive and the negative, and that is what? Electro. Electro means what? Electron. Electron covalent bond, sharing of the electron, which is attracted between the positive and the negative ions, is called electrocovalent bond. Electrovalency is thus equal to the number of unit charge present on the ion. So according to the octet rule configuration, atoms can combine either by the transfer of valence electron from one atom to the other, or by sharing of the valence electron in order to have their octet in the valence shell. And this is called the octet rule. Understood? Next, covalent bond. See here, sharing of the electrons. Here the outermost orbit is 7. Here the outermost orbit is 7. So this one electron, when joined with the one electron, it gets 2 electrons. So this circle fulfill 8 electrons, and this circle of the chlorine fulfill 8 electrons. So in short, what happened? All the elements should fulfill the outermost orbit complete. That is 2 or 8. So this bond is a chlorine-chlorine bond, and it's a covalent bond. That is sharing of the electron. This bond, 2 bond, they are sharing by this chlorine, and this 2 bond is 2 electron is also shared by this chlorine. Type of bonding between the electron of the 2 atoms. So there are 3 types of bonding, as I told you. That is what? Single bond, double bond, and triple bond. So which is weak? Triple bond is the weak one, right? And double bond is less weaker than the triple bond, and single bond is very strong. So single bond is the bond where one pair of the electron take part in the chemical bonding, that is 2 electrons. One pair means 2 electrons. And double bond is the bond where 2 pairs of electron take part, that is 4 electrons. So similarly, triple bond means three pair. Three pair means what? 6 electrons participate in the chemical bonding. So what are the conditions for the Lewis dot structure? So each bond is formed as a result of sharing of the electron pair between the atom. So each combining atom contributes at least one electron to the shared pair. So the combining atom attains the outer shell noble gas configuration as a result of the sharing of the electron. So sharing, without sharing, this condition cannot be done. So see here the structure of ethyne molecules. What is ethyne molecules? A combination of a carbon and hydrogen with a double bond. So this carbon is always having a 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this carbon is also having a 4 bonds. So a molecule and their covalent bond structure in the term of single, double and the triple. So this one is a double bond and this one is a triple bond. This is a covalent structure sharing the electrons. This carbon is having a 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Here the nitrogen is sharing the 3 pairs of the electron. This is 3 pairs of electrons, so total 6 electrons are there and sharing is occurring. Lewis representation for simple molecules. Let's study about the Lewis representation. The total number of electrons required for writing the structure are obtained by adding the valence of the electron of combining atoms. That is, for example, CH4 molecules, there are 8 valence electrons available for bonding, 4 from carbon and 4 from hydrogen atom. For the anions, each negative charge would mean addition of 1 electron. So for cations, each positive charge would result in a subtraction of 1 electron from the total number of the valence electron. For example, see here, carbonate. So carbonate is what? Carbon is plus, oxygen is O minus 2. So how many oxygen is there? O3 oxygen is there. So we have to write the valence electron in the form of CO3 minus 2. The 2 negative charge indicates there are 2 additional electrons and then those provided by the neutral atom. For example, NH4 plus ion, 1 positive charge indicates the loss of 1 electron from the group of the neutral atoms. Neutral atom is what? NH3 is ammonia. That is a neutral atom. Okay. So, knowing the chemical symbol for the combining atoms and having knowledge of the skeletal structure of the compound. What is skeletal structure? A diagram of the Lewis dot structure is called a skeletal structure of the compound. It is easy to distribute the total number of electrons as bonding shared pair between the atom in the proportion to the total bonds. So in general, the least electronegative atom occupies central position. So central position is required. For example, in NH3, which is the central position, N is the central position. F 1, 2, 3 will be drawn like this. Carbonate. Carbon is the central atom. Then C will be in the middle, and then oxygen and oxygen will be in the side. So nitrogen and carbon are the central atom, whereas fluorine and oxygen occupy the terminal position. Understood? See here, the structure of the hydrogen molecule is H2. Lewis representation is dash in the bond. See here, in the bond, in the double bond, this is a double bond. How many pair of electrons is there? 2 pair of electrons. Total 4 electrons is there. Ozone, this is the ozone, nitrogen fluoride, nitrogen trifluoride, carbonate ions and nitric acid, HNO3. Example on Lewis structure, right? The Lewis dot structure of carbon monoxide. This is CO. So what to do? First count the total number of valence electrons of carbon and oxygen. So what is the total valence of the carbon? Carbon is 4 and oxygen is 6. So total is what? 10. The skeletal structure of carbon monoxide is written as CO. Step 3. Draw a single bond, one shared pair electron between the carbon and monoxide, and complete the octet on the on O. See here, it should be like this. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and oxygen is this one. So in both there is a 2 extra bond is there. Write Lewis structure of the nitrite ion, that is NO2 minus. So same Lewis structure, you have to find first total number of valence. You have to write the number of valence electron in the nitrogen is 5 and oxygen is 6. So 6 to the 12. How 12? Because 2 number of oxygen is there. 6 to the 12. And where is plus 1 comes? That is minus 1 is there. minus 1 is there, it will go equal on the left side, that is plus 1. So total number of electrons is 18 electrons. The skeleton structure will be NO2, so 2 times O and 9. With the middle term, this is center atom, so N is in the middle term. Draw a single bond of the electron pair between the nitrogen and the oxygen. So this is the bond structure. So hence we have to restore a multiple bonding between the nitrogen and one of the oxygen atom. Also in this case a double bond are there. See here we put a one double bond and one single bond is there. So there is maybe the structure will be like this, double bond and one NO2 and will be here, because this doesn't have double bond, right? So it will be resonance type structure. See here, this only we have discussed right now. How to write the Lewis dot structure for the carbonate ion, CO3 minus 2. As you know, carbon, the valence electron is 4, oxygen, the valence electron is 6, 6 is 18, 4 is 4, total is 22. So the valence electron in the carbonate is 22 and negative ion is minus 2. So you will do plus 2 as it goes on the left side. So plus 2. So total number of Lewis dot structure for the carbonate is 24. Same for the ammonia. Now you will understand, as it is plus, it will come minus 1 over here. Okay, like this. Thank you. Hope you understood the topic very well.